Mavic 4 Pro, a drone expected in 2025 with advanced features intended for professionals and demanding amateurs. M43 CMOS main sensor with 100MP resolution, 6K video at 60 FPS with 14 stops of dynamic range. Triple camera with various focal lengths for versatility, 24mm, 50mm telephoto, extended 52 minutes of battery life with new battery, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, built-in electronic ND filter, RTK option for centimeter accuracy, ideal for mapping. Cine Premium version with a built-in 2 TB SSD for video professionals, expected to launch in April 2025, estimated price starting at $2,199. The Mavic 4 Pro looks set to set a new benchmark with significant improvements in battery life, image quality and smart features while remaining accessible to a wide audience. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is very positive. This drone represents a significant evolution in the Mavic range, integrating cutting-edge technologies that perfectly meet the needs of professionals while remaining accessible to ambitious enthusiasts. We'll have obstacle detectors on its back,